Hello, I am AI anchor Sana, welcoming you all in Aaj Tak AI special show AI to Z. Let's have a look on big AI updates around the world today. Worldcoin has announced that Spain is now its largest operating market in Euro, with over 20,000 people signing up for their World ID system every month. World ID is a proof-of-personhood system that protects anonymity. Spain's growing AI sector has contributed to this expansion, positioning the country as a potential hub for the EU's AI industry. Worldcoin recently raised $115 million in a Series C investment round and has seen over 150,000 registrations since launching in Madrid. Digital and Tech Barcelona have also joined Worldcoin's Tools for Humanity team. Despite a decline in Metaverse land prices, the Metaverse industry has attracted substantial investments. Venture capital firms invested $707 million in Metaverse projects in the first half of 2023, accounting for 44% of all Web3 investments. Trading volumes in Q2 2023 fell by 81% due to decreased activity in virtual decentralized apps. However, the Metaverse space has seen significant developments, including the debut of Apple's VR Pro headset and the growth of decentralized identity solutions. Asia is expected to dominate the Metaverse market, with countries like Japan and China leveraging the technology for their digital future. Costa Rican lawmakers have utilized the AI-powered chatbot, ChatGPT, to draft a bill addressing the regulation of AI. The proposed legislation aims to establish an institution responsible for regulating AI systems based on principles such as accountability, explainability, bias prevention, and protection of human rights. While the initiative has received both positive and negative reactions, it reflects the growing trend in Latin America, with countries like Mexico, Peru, and Brazil actively discussing or enacting comprehensive AI regulations to ensure ethical and responsible AI development. Domino's has once again made headlines by using jetpacks to deliver pizzas, following their earlier achievement of delivering pizza by drone in 2016. At the Glastonbury Festival in the UK, Domino's equipped delivery agents with jetpacks to soar through the air and deliver pizzas to festival goers. The awe-inspiring footage quickly spread on social media, garnering attention. The collaboration with Gravity Industries, a jet suit technology innovator, made this unique delivery method possible. Domino's continuous adoption of cutting-edge technology raises curiosity about its future innovations in the delivery space. That's all for now in AI to Z. Do give your opinion on show. See you next time in a new show with some new information. Keep watching Aaj Tak AI. Goodbye.